Hi, this is Sheija from CSCE and my roll number is AP181100100292. And here I am to explain the given compiler design lab question. And the question allotted for me is, let me share you my screen. Yeah, here's the question that is allotted for me. That is implementation of language recognizer. Let us look into the first question. Set of all strings over a binary alphabet containing even number of zeros and even number of ones. In this binary alphabet is nothing but the alphabets considered as zeros and ones. The question itself states that the given string should have even number of zeros and even number of ones. So let us look into this question. And this is the finite automata which satisfies the given condition where even number of zeros and even number of ones satisfies in the given string. So here there are four states: Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q3. So this is the finite automata. I'm in the transition diagram, and here is the transition table. Let us look into this. At Q0, it goes to Q1. Let us look into Q0. At 0, it goes to Q2, and at 1, it comes to Q1. In Q1, at 0, it goes to Q3, and at 1, it goes to Q0, and at Q2, at 0, it goes to Q0, and at 1, it goes to Q3, and at Q3, at 0, it goes to Q1, and at 1, it goes to Q0. In this, if the string has even number of zeros and even number of ones, then the string is accepted by the given finite automata or the program. If the string doesn't have even number of zeros or even number of ones, it doesn't get satisfied by the given finite automata or the program. So for this, let us look into the program which satisfies this. Yeah, here's the program for the first question. The initial state we'll be taking as 0. And current state is the value, is the string that we are taking, and input as array as 20 characters. Here printf states that the value, the string which we are giving prints out. Here scanf states that the value which we are giving input. Here while statement states nothing but the string has to be looped in order to know whether the string satisfies the given finite automata or not. Here switch changes the value between the given cases. Coming to the cases in the switch statement, here case 0 states as Q0, and case 1 states as Q1, and case 2 states as Q2. At case 0, it state Q0. If the value is current value is equal to 1, and it comes to state 1, and if it's equal to 0, it comes to state 2, or else it doesn't give both 1 and 0, it returns as invalid token. Here exit means the program terminates the execution and comes out of the console. And again break. Let us now look into the case 1. That is nothing but the state Q1. If it's equal to 1, it comes as state 0, it comes to state 0. If it's equal to 0, it comes to state 3, or else both 1 and 0 doesn't get, it returns as invalid token. And again, let us exit this case 1, that is the Q1 state. And coming to case 2, that is Q2, if its value is equal to 1, it returns as state 3. And if its current value is equal to 0, it returns as state 0. If not both 1 and 0, it returns as invalid token. And again exit. Let us look into case 3, that is Q3 state. If the value is equal to 1, it returns as state 2, and if it's equal to 0, it returns as state 1. It comes to state 1, and if not both, it returns as invalid token. And again exit. And here completes our 4 states, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q3. And if the state is equal to 0, here state 0 is nothing but the acceptance state where the string comes at the end and accepts by the state Q0. At Q0, if the given string is accepted by the finite automata, then the program returns as string accepted. If the given string doesn't get accepted by the finite automata, or the string doesn't get accepted, it returns as string not accepted. So let us run our program and check whether the given string is correct or not. Let us enter the string 1010. we can clearly see that the string got accepted. Let us check in a finite automata which we have taken before. 1010 is the string. Let us start at Q0. 1 it goes to Q1, 0 it comes to Q3, and again 1 it goes to Q2, and again 0 it goes to Q0. The string got accepted clearly, and hence we can say that the strings will get accepted when and which has even number of zeros and even number of ones. And let us again run by taking an irrespective of the string which doesn't have zeros and ones. One zero one. For example, let us take 101. String not get accepted. Again, let us look into the finite automata where the string has not got accepted. At 1, it goes to Q1, and at 0, it comes to Q3, and again again 1, it goes to Q2, which clearly states that the given string doesn't reach the acceptance state, and hence the string is not accepted. The given string is not accepted for the given finite automata or for the program. So this is about all about the first question, that is containing even number of zeros and even number of ones. Now let us look into the second question that is given to me. Set of all strings ending with two symbols of same type. Here let us take a group of strings or a single string, which in which the question states that the string should have two symbols of same type ending with same type. Okay, the string should end with two symbols of same type. So here's the finite automata, the transition diagram for the given question. In this, we are having 5 states. Those are nothing but Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Let me explain this transition table. At Q0, let us at A it goes to Q1, and at B it comes to Q3, and coming to state Q1, at A it goes to Q2, and at B it comes to Q3, and at Q2 state at A it goes to Q2, and at B it goes to Q3, and coming to Q3 state, at A it goes to Q1, and at B it goes to state Q4, and coming to state Q4, at A it goes to state Q1, and at B it again returns to the state Q4. And here the accept strings are nothing but the Q2 and Q4. Now let us look into the program which satisfies this. Here's the program that satisfies our second question. Let us take as an initial state in 0. The state is 0 initially, and our current character, and here is the input which we are taking as the array size as 20. Here the printf, it prints the string which we have given, whether it is accepted or not. Scanf takes the value, inputs is the input where we are giving the value. Here the while statement states that the string now is to be getting looped in order to say that the string is got accepted for the finite automata or not. And the switch changes the value, as I previously said, that between the given cases. Coming to the switch statement under those cases, K0 is nothing but the state Q0. If its value is A, it comes to the state Q1. If its current value is B, it comes to the state Q3. If not both A and B, it returns as prints as an invalid. Exit is nothing but the program terminates the execution and returns out of the console. And at case 1 is nothing but the state Q1. If it's A, it returns to state 2, and if it's B, it returns to state 3. If not both A and B, it returns as invalid, and here it's got exited. Let's see into the case 2. That is nothing but the state Q2. At A, it returns as it returns to state comes to state state 2, and if it's the value is B, it comes to state 3. If not both A and B, it returns as prints as invalid. And break again. Let us see the case 3. That's nothing but the state Q3. If it's A, it comes to state 1, and if it's B, it comes to state 4. If not both A and B, it prints as invalid. And at case 4 is nothing but the state Q4. If it's A, it comes to state 1, and if it's B, it comes to state 4. If not both, it returns as invalid. Again exit. So here are the 5 states that are Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 are the 5 states which I have taken. Here state equal to 2 and state equal to 4 are nothing but the acceptance state. Q2 and Q4 are the acceptance state. If the given string is accepted by the finite automata, it returns as string accepted. If it's not accepted by the finite automata, it prints as string not accepted. So let us take an example of a string and see. Let us run the program first. Let's enter the string which has in ending which has the same type 10100. Okay, this is the string which we have taken 10100. Sorry, this is the thing. Let us run a program again. I have taken A and B, not 1 and 0. A, B, A, B, A. String got accepted. So let us look this example, this string in the previous finite automata which we have drawn. B, A. Let us start at Q0. At B it goes to Q3, and again A it goes to Q1. Again B comes to Q3. At last A it goes to Q1, and again A comes to Q2. Nothing but the acceptance state, which the string got accepted for the given finite automata for the given program. So let us take another string which is not accepted. AB is the string I have taken. Here we can clearly see that the string got not accepted. So let us look this string in our automata AB. So at A goes to Q1, and again at B comes to Q3. Again A goes to Q1, and again B comes to Q3. Hence it doesn't reach the acceptance state, and the string not got accepted by the given finite automata, which doesn't satisfy the given condition, that is ending with 2 symbols of same type. Yeah, this is all about the second question. And here is the program for the first code. I just can keep. This is the program for the first question. And this is the program for the second question. Yeah, these are the 2 programs given for me. The first thing, 2 even numbers, that is 0 and 1, and the second one is which I have explained enough. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.